everybody couldn't have held had that same number on their ticket.
I know water. It's all the same.
It's a little yellow box with a little
Cable for us to hit the brake.
Finally, we are moving. Thank you, Phil.
the other way.
No, yeah, go that way.
Yeah, before that I worked at a place called MTM.
Yeah, where else?
We'd be up on the bridge. Runs all the way. On the Wisconsin side. That looks nice. I can jump in I knew I should have brought my chainsaw.
Don't leave home without it.
Yeah. Chainsaw and duct tape.
It's Grandpa's fault because Grandpa was the one that got, oh, we don't know if it's safe.
It's only a tree. It's only a tree.
There's a tree across the line.
Yeah, yeah.
Just a little bit too much to drink.
No, not enough. We're dehydrated. He's out. He's out. He carries a portable train.
Dresser Junction. Oh, I know where that is.
Because the one girl goes.
You guys all going to move a tree or?
Oops, sorry.
Workers are. Everyone has some more muscles. More muscles, more muscles.
Open the door. Yeah, open the door.
I want you to stand
Hey, wait a minute. Just press it.
Should get the kids back inside here. Yeah, get the kids inside.
Right now they're kind of stuck behind the gate.
Hey, you guys, keep trying to climb down.
Excuse me. Oh, you're going down?
Yeah, I gotta take a picture.
Alright, so if you're on his side, you can see.
I'll stand back here. Yeah, the only thing I'm worried about, Bill, is that it's going to go underneath the
See, if there would have been a rock train, this wouldn't have been a problem. The tree'd already be in 1,000 million pieces. No.
Yep. There we go. All right.
Okay, 6234, we're in the clear. Al, we're okay to keep moving then? Can I move to get the 1102 clear?
Everyone's in the clear, 6234.
Wow.
Okay, 6234, you can proceed. We've got another 9 cars to clear the train over.
9 cars, 6234.
And that'll do 6234, you're in the clear.
Yeah. I'll just remember that we got to get on. Yeah.
There's a lot of tree there.
There was a lot of tree there.
Yeah.
We got to come back that way too.
Yeah.
Okay, 6234, we're all on board. You may continue to highball marine.
Highball Marine, 6234.
Start.
Yeah, I suppose.
You're welcome.
Okay, just let me get the picture of the tree. Oops, there is that.
Don't do that again! Okay, wait until Mom has
All the way over to the police car. So.